In this video, I'll guide you through resolving the E5 error. That's when your HP DeskJet printer finds itself in an error state. Whether you're working with a DeskJet 2600, 2700 or 3700 model, we've got fixes that cater to a whole range of DeskJet printers. We'll start with easy checks and then move to more detailed troubleshooting steps to get your printer back in working order. Start by turning off your printer and unplugging it from the power source. Leave it off for a couple of minutes and plug it back in. This simple power cycle can clear temporary malfunctions and might help resolve the E5 error. Ensure that your HP DeskJet printer is connected properly to your computer or network. Check that all cables are secure and the wireless connection is stable, as faulty connections can lead to error states. Open the printer's cartridge door and inspect the ink cartridges. They should be seated correctly and locked into place. If they're loose, it might cause an error. Check for any paper jams inside the printer. Carefully remove any stuck paper you find and make sure no pieces are left behind, as jams can trigger error messages. Make sure the printer isn't overfilled with paper. Overloading can cause simple paper feed problems that might lead to error states. Keep the paper stack under the recommended limit. Verify that your printer drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can conflict with printer operations and cause errors, so updating your printer's software might resolve the issue. Reset the printer to its factory settings if the error still persists. This can resolve deeper configuration issues without affecting your warranty, though you'll need to reconfigure your settings afterward. If the E5 error remains persistent after trying all these fixes, it may be due to a deeper hardware issue or an outdated firmware. Before you consider a replacement, check the description for links to possible parts to replace, or try a firmware update from HP's website. If all else fails, it could be time to explore new printer options. Join us in our next video for a roundup of the best current DeskJet deals and recommendations.